Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do bug hunting or how you can catch insects in Heartopia. So if you want to fill up your encyclopedia and earn some quick heart coins, here I'm going to show you how you can catch those rare butterflies or those insects in the Heartopia game. So in here, what you do is just open your toolbox first and then use your insects catcher, this one, and after that you can just try to catch it using the bubble. Just click on the tools, and once the bubbles get the once the insects inside the bubble, then you'll successfully catch it. So I already just catch one. Let me find another one. Okay, so there's other insects in here. You can do the exact methods. Okay, so now I just catch a large red damselfly. So that's all for me. That's how you can catch insect in Heartopia. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.